Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have a valid restore point or backup and a recovery USB ready. This prevents data loss later. Once done, make sure the PC is set to boot from your recovery media via BIOS or a one-time boot menu. If Windows still loads, use Settings Recovery and hold Shift while clicking Restart to reach WinRe. If the system is unresponsive, repeatedly press the manufacturer key, F11, ESC, F12, during post to force the recovery environment. Now, in the Windows recovery environment, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and pick System Restore to begin. You'll see available restore points listed by date and description. Choose the most relevant one so you undo recent problematic changes, but keep other data intact. Confirm the target Windows drive if prompted, and accept the warning that this will restart the system. The process runs automatically and may restart several times. Let it complete without interrupting power. After the restore finishes, sign into your account and immediately verify core functions and critical files to confirm success. If you still see errors or the restore failed, boot back into WinRe and run Startup Repair, or try Safe Mode to uninstall recent drivers or updates. Once stable, open Event Viewer to identify the culprit and consider creating a fresh restore point. If repeated restores fail, use your backup image or reinstall Windows from your Install USB as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.